Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Oh, I actually did see you there. Hope everybody is having a good morning, afternoon, night, whatever it may be. Gonna load up some tools here, go do a little bit of work. So, follow along with me. Here we go. What kind of work is it that you do? Well, you're gonna have to wait till a future episode till I reveal all that. However, it's very exciting, I'll tell you that. And very telling of human nature and people's inability to be patient for a couple seconds. Oh, and happy Veterans Day to all the veterans. I appreciate your service. I had many family members who were part of the armed forces. They all do a great job. Current and past members of the military. Thank you. Here at the first location I've got to check out. Some of these things are not working. And which things? You don't know yet because I haven't done a video on it yet. But I will soon, and you know all about the inner workings of all these things. Problem was fixed for now with a little bit of duct tape until we can figure out what's actually wrong and fix it. But duct tape for the win. On to the next place. Da, 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 da. Once again, I've found myself out by a huge field. And I have a specific purpose for being here. But again, you're gonna have to wait until another video. Probably be in a couple weeks. Trying to put it all together, make it relevant for you guys. This coming weekend, I'm going to Austin, Texas. Gonna do a little bit of rock climbing there. I didn't even know there was climbing there. And gonna go check it out, see how it is, so stay tuned next week for that video about rock climbing in Austin, Texas. And while I'm here, I might as well get my drone out and check out these nice straight lines that these farmers do. I don't know how they make their lines and rows so straight. I might have given away a little bit of the video, but check out how straight these lines are. You know, every once in a while it's fun to just kind of stop on the side of the road, get out my orange traffic cones, set them up, and people will wonder what's going on. Amazon is building 2 new huge distribution centers near my house. One of them's over here, one of them's over there. Let's go check out this one right over here. And we're by the speedway. And there's a bunch of cars practicing for a race of some sort. Who knows? Well, for today, that's all I have for you. Just some teasers of some upcoming videos. Can't give everything away, and those cars in the background of the racetrack are really loud. It'll be fun to get over there and see it. If you didn't see my racing video, check it out up here, and we will see you next time. Oh yeah, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.